A pleasant morning each and everyone. Today we will be having a General Assembly or a General Orientation which aims to make the students more engaged and informed about the school events, activities, college policies, especially the netiquette for blended learning since we can't have the actual classes yet. Also, faculty members and everything that they need to know or become aware of.
Yes, exactly. And why do we need to conduct a General Assembly? It is because it is a chance for students to learn how things work at their school. It is really important that they are aware or well informed of the school occurrences so they can also be more participative in any activities. And also, it will help them feel comfortable and belong to their chosen school. And it'll make them feel excited about starting or continuing their college journey. So with that, let's make this morning not just a wonderful one, but a day full of learnings. To formally begin the program, let us all feel the presence of our Almighty God as we offer Him a song of praise, followed by the Philippine National Anthem and NCF hymn.
Lead me by the hand and help me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other hope that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord, lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely roads that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart all my days, all my life. You are my the lamp upon my feet. All the time, my Lord, I need you there. You are my light. I cannot live alone. Let me stay by your guiding love all through my life. Lead me, Lord.
Again, we would like to welcome you all to our virtual General Assembly with the theme
Igniting CBA spirit and excellence amidst new normal. Now, as your master of this ceremony, we would first like to introduce ourselves. I am Rika Malaa, CBA Student Council Public Relations Officer.
And I am Ronnie Luzon, CBA Student Council Second Year Representative.
At this juncture, may we call in for the opening remarks our indefatigable CSC advisor and certified public accountant, none other than Mr. Rodinel B. Porteria.
Good morning, CBA students and CBA faculty members. Before we get started, I would like to express my appreciation to all stakeholders who have helped us in making this event possible. Special mention to the CBA Student Council who initiated this event, to our Dean, Ma'am Lawrence Astor Pelihera for the support, and to One Media as our media partner. The objective of this event is to gather all CBA students in order to disseminate key information for the second semester of academic year 2020-2021. Importantly, we will introduce the new set of CBA Student Council who were appointed to ensure that all CBA students will be engaged in academic and non-academic events and to have a worthwhile stay even in this new normal education in digital era. I look forward, as the new CBA Student Council advisor, that every CBA student will give their full participation and cooperation for all the events set by the Council. Without further ado, I would like to formally welcome you all in the opening event of the semester, General Assembly 2021, with the theme Igniting CBA Spirits and Excellence Amidst New Normal. Thank you and good morning.
Thank you very much, sir, for that heartwarming welcome speech. And now to give us a message, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor to introduce to you our ever-dynamic fatherly figure of our institution, President Mario C. Villanueva.
Welcome to the second semester of the academic year, school year 2020-2021. We believe that you and your parents have exercised sound judgment by enrolling to your chosen courses at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, College of Business and Accountancy. This new semester is being disrupted by the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. In this uncertain environment, it is important that learning continues, even if it can't happen in person. Thus, the College of Business and Accountancy is providing you the NCF's online learning system to effectively deliver learning modality while adhering to the government's health and safety standard to mitigate the effect of the COVID-19 pandemic. With this, we are still having an unlimited opportunity to enjoy learning, exploring, and engaging together. As you embark on this journey of knowledge, keep in mind education's goal to maximize your full potential. Set your sights high and pursue your goals with confidence and determination in your heart. Naga College Foundation Incorporated and the College of Business and Accountancy are here to help you reach your dreams. We are awaiting guidelines from CHED and our local government unit how to start face-to-face classes. Further, the COVID vaccine is now being rolled out worldwide, so there is a light at the end of the tunnel. We are hoping that we will walk down our hallways again and greet each other filled with excitement. We hope your time here is an enjoyable and will be full of rewarding experience. Thank you for choosing College of Business and Accountancy. And take a step of courage and get the resiliency of our Tiger community.
Thank you very much, Mr. President, for that heartwarming message. Now, let's proceed to the presentation of faculty members, program heads, and dean in order for students to become more familiar with them. First is from the Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. She graduated at Ateneo de Naga University for Doctor of Business Administration and completed academic requirements at Naga College Foundation Incorporated with Masters in Business Administration major in Human Resource Management at Polytechnic University of the Philippines with a degree of Bachelor's of Science in Accountancy, and her former work experience was VCCI, Pagbilao, Quezon as biller and coder, and now currently working at NCF as accounting instructor. And the Dean for College of Business and Accountancy, Certified Public Accountant. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Lawrence Aster Pellejera. He graduated at the University of Nueva Cáceres with a degree of Bachelor's of Science in Accountancy and passed the CPA licensure examination, Mr. Rodinel B. Portaria.
She graduated at Naga College Foundation Batch 2018 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, a CPA, no other than Riza O. Abog. He graduated at Naga College Foundation Batch 2017 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, a CPA licensure exam passer last October 2017, no other than Jabar Febre Barandon.
She graduated with bachelor's degree in accountancy, batch 2017, and passed the CPA licensure examination, none other than Ms. Rona Lorraine P. Cabral. He graduated at Ateneo de Naga University with a bachelor's degree in accountancy and a part-time teacher at Naga College Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Antonio G. Camalia.
She graduated at Ateneo de Naga University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and currently Master in Business Administration major in Human Resource Management at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, a CPA and CMITAP, no other than Ms. Rina M. De Luna. She graduated at Naga College Foundation, batch 2019, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, a CPA. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Rachel O. Estayo.
He graduated at Ateneo de Naga University with a bachelor's degree in accountancy, and his former work experience was a general service officer at Provincial Government of Camarines Sur and now a part-time instructor at Naga College Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Adrian R. Ongog, CPA MSA. He graduated at Naga College Foundation batch 2018 with a bachelor's degree in accountancy and passed the CPA licensure examination way back 2018, and his former work experience was a record report analyst at IBM, none other than Mr. Daryl Remoquillo.
She is a class valedictorian, Centro Escolar University School of Law and Jurisprudence, Juris Doctor degree, and a magna cum laude at Ateneo de Naga University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. Currently a solo practitioner as CPA lawyer in Naga City and law professor at Ateneo de Naga University, College of Law and UNC College of Law. Ladies and gentlemen, Attorney Christy Sila Amaro Gonzalvo. She is a MBA Master in Business Administration, last 2019, a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration and Financial Accounting, batch 2014, and a Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Human Resource Development Management. She is also a MBA, no other than Ms. Christine C. Paular.
He is a part-time instructor at Naga College Foundation and passed the Certified Public Accountant Licensure examination. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Jarek Tejares. For other BS Accountancy part-time instructors, we have Mr. Michael P. Balbastre, Certified Public Accountant, Ms. Ginaline A. Sarmiento, Certified Public Accountant, and Attorney Carlo Perez.
He graduated at Ateneo de Naga University with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and a part-time instructor at Naga College Foundation, a CPA, no other than Mr. Chris Miko A. Tolosa. From the Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, we have, or she is also a Master in Business Administration and ongoing, Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management, Batch 2011. A program head of BS HRM and BSHM. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Gladys B. Tamaw.
He graduated at Mariners Polytechnic Colleges way back 2012 to 2016 with a bachelor's degree in Hotel Restaurant Management and studied Masters in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management in Naga College Foundation, and owner or manager at Raha Event Management Services, none other than Mr. Jorim P. Sumangid. She studies MBA or Masters in Business Administration and studied Bachelor with a degree of Bachelor in Hotel and Restaurant Management way back 2015. His previous work experience was NCF Cba full-time faculty way back 2015 to 2016, MT Rairaken Harrison, Manila. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Mary Ann Imperial.
She is a Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. He graduated at Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management in 2016, an NCF part-time instructor until present, and a restaurant supervisor at Spatzel Euro Market Cafe, Shangri-La Plaza, Mandaluyong City. Ladies and gentlemen, Ms. Zaira S. Rimorosa. He graduated at Naga College Foundation last 2016. His former work at the Carmen Hotel Purchasing Associate, and also he is an owner of Sweet Touch Baking. No other than Mr. J.R. D. Intia.
She is a licensed professional teacher and with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management and studied Master of Arts in Teaching, major in Food Technology, present NCF and NCF CBA instructor, and became MPC Naga College instructor, none other than Miss Mary Rose Angelica B. Antero. For the BS Hospitality Management part-time instructor, we also have Miss Gail Junio and Miss Christine Pagdayunan.
From the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, we have the Program Head of Hospitality and Resource Management, no other than Mr. Daniel Martin A. Gabo. He is also a Program Head of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration Marketing Management, a BSBA Marketing Management Batch 2015 graduate at Naga College Foundation. He also have a master degree in Business Administration major in Human Resource Management with 21 units. NCF CVA instructor from 2019 until present, no other than Mr. Ryan B. Dematera.
He is a BSBA Marketing Management graduate with master's degree in Business Administration major in Human Resource Management and currently working at NCF CBA as instructor full-time, none other than Mr. Renato Belaro. She graduated with the bachelor's degree in Human Resource Development Management way back 2016, presently working as NCF College instructor, and became also officer in charge at Breadstock SM Naga branch and in MT Graceland Food Industries Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Elisa Frondoso.
He has a degree of Bachelor of Science in Commerce major in Management 2012 and a Master in Management from 2018 until present at Bicol University, Legazpi City, and an office clerk from Development of Bank of the Philippines last 2012. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Arvin Santa Rosa Bungalbal. He is also a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, graduated at Naga College Foundation Batch 2019. Mr. Chan Divino.
She graduated with a bachelor's degree in Business Administration, major in Financial Accounting, class of 2015 at Ateneo de Naga University, currently taking up master's in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management at NCF, and her former work experience was a local Treasury Operations Officer, Officer 2 at Provincial Treasurer's Office, LGU Camarines Sur, way back 2017 up until now, Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Geraldine L. Felices. She graduated at Ateneo de Naga University class of 2017 with the bachelor's degree in Business Administration, major in Business Economics, currently taking up Master in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management at Naga College Foundation Incorporated, and NCF instructor way back 2019 up until present. A Disbursement Officer, Provincial Treasurer's Office, LGU Camarines Sur, way back 2018 up until present. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jan Kathleen O. Lapitan.
She graduated at Ateneo de Naga University, class of 2016, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Currently taking up of Master in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management at Naga College Foundation, and also a full-time check disbursing officer from the Provincial Treasurer's Office of LGU Camarines Sur from 2017 until present. No other than Miss Eileen P. Mayuga. He graduated at Ateneo de Naga University class of 2016 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management. Currently taking up of Master in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management at Naga College Foundation. He is also a Data Support Officer from the Provincial Treasurer's Office of LGU Camarines Sur from 2017 until present. He is also a manager from Jack's Blue Plate way back 2016. No other than Mr. John Peter M. Pletado.
She graduated at Ateneo de Naga University with a bachelor's degree in Secretarial Administration, studied Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision at Universidad de Santa Isabel, a former Vice President of the Association of Marketing Educators, and 30 years in teaching at Ateneo de Naga University, none other than Miss Nicolette A. Andesimo. She graduated at Naga College Foundation with a degree of Bachelor's in Marketing Management, batch 2015, studied Master degree in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management at NCF, Cba instructor part-time, and former governor of College of Business and Accountancy way back 2014 and 2015, Miss Eileen F. De Los Reyes. For other part-time faculty BS in Business Administration, we also have Miss May Jane Francisco, Attorney Carlo Perez, Attorney Florente Belleza, and Attorney Carlo Villanueva.
He studied at Mapua Institute of Technology. He is also a president of Naga College Foundation and a part-time instructor of College of Business and Accountancy. No other than Mr. Mario Villanueva. From the Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, she graduated at Naga College Foundation batch 2016 with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship and also a Master in Business Administration, major in Human Resource Management from 2018 up until present. A program head of BSE and BSBA Financial Management, no other than Miss Rachel Rubrigado.
She studied Masters in Management and a former Jesuit volunteer Philippines or at JVP area, Kadingilan, Bukidnon, Mindanao, way back 1982 to 1985, LGU consultant way back 1992 to 1996, a former community development worker way back 1996 to 2008, and an entrepreneur way back 2018 up until present. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Nancy T. Adan. He graduated with a bachelor's degree in entrepreneurship way back 2016 and a store manager at Philippine 7 Corporation or 7-Eleven way back 2018 to 2019 and a full-time college instructor way back 2019 up until present, none other than Mr. Nico Ricafrente.
She has a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Entrepreneurship, graduated as a cum laude, and a Master's in Business Administration from 2007 to 2018, and a Doctor of Business Administration from 2018 until present. He is also part of Network of Sustainable Livelihood Catalyst as one of the staff from 2010 up until present. No other than Miss Rachel Isguera. She graduated at Naga College Foundation, batch 2016, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, cum laude, and a Master of Business Administration major in HRM with 24 units at Naga College Foundation. A full-time college instructor at Naga College Foundation, she is Antoinette Faith and Hernandez.
We come now to the GSC cluster. He is a licensed professional teacher and with a degree of Bachelor of Science in major in Mathematics and NCF Cba instructor from 2019 up until present. We have Mr. Alejandro P. Alaurin, LPT. He passed the licensure examination for teachers way back 2017 with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in Philosophy way back 2017 and a college instructor at Naga College Foundation from 2017 up until present. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Paul Vincent Bongkayaw.
He graduated at Naga College Foundation, batch 2018, with a degree of Bachelor of Arts major in Filipino language. A licensed professional teacher, last 2019. He is also MTV Leadership Awardee with gold medal last 2018. An El Verde President from 2018 to 2019. No other than Mr. Christopher Fennis. He has a degree of Bachelor of Arts in Psychology, Master in Management, and also a CBA instructor of Naga College Foundation from 2018 up until present. No other than Mr. Billy John May A. Icaro.
She is a licensed professional teacher with master's degree in Business Administration thesis program, NCF College instructor from 2012 up until present. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Arlene Moises Lagman, LPT MBA. She graduated with a bachelor's degree in education major in Filipino way back 2019. NCF College instructor from 2019 up until present. We have Miss Joanne C. Robrigado.
He has a degree of Bachelor of Arts major in Filipino language and completed the teaching certificate program. No other than Mr. John Michael V. Sabio. She graduated at Naga College Foundation, class of 2018, with a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, an online English as secondary language ESL teacher. She is Miss Joveline O. Sanda.
She graduated with a bachelor's degree in education major in English and passed the licensure examination for teachers from 2018 to 2019 and customer service representative from 2019 to 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Margie A. Martinez. He is a present master in public administration at NCF, a licensed professional teacher, and with a degree of Bachelor of Arts in Classical Philosophy, minor in Religious Education way back 2014, OSA coordinator from 2017 up until present, a part-time college instructor. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Michael Dominic D. Alarcon. She is a licensed professional teacher and graduated with a bachelor's degree in education major in biological science at Central Bicol State University of Agriculture. We have Miss Carmela Esquivel Tagilid.
She is a licensed professional teacher and civil service eligible and have a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education in Mathematics last 2019, and also she is a CBA instructor at Naga College Foundation and a medical record staff from Bicol Access Health Centrum Hospital from 2019 up until present. No other than Miss Anadel B. Lapay. He has a degree of Bachelor of Secondary Education major in English, a licensure professional teacher, and a full-time NCF CBA faculty. No other than Mr. JJ Bordeos.
We come now to the CBA Secretariat. She graduated with a bachelor's degree in Business Administration major in Human Resource Development Management batch 2018, a college secretary at College of Business and Accountancy. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Charmaine Cano. She graduated with a degree in Bachelor's of Business Administration major in Marketing Management batch 2019, an office assistant way back 2016 to 2018, CBA secretary, and a part-time instructor from 2019 up until present. We have Miss Michelle Nape. At this juncture, we will have an icebreaker. So let us all watch a video of a day in the life of student and how it's like to be a student and a student leader at the same time, featuring our CBA Student Council second year representative, none other than Mr. Ronnie Luzon. Wow, that was a very inspiring video from our second year representative. So, ganun pala talaga yung situation or buhay ng isang student and at the same time, student leader ka pa. So, basically, hindi talaga siya madali para sa isang estudyante.
Eureka. And yan yung nararanasan ng mga students during the online class. So at this point, let us all hear a message from our dearest program heads.
Good morning! I would like to extend my warmest greetings to all CBA students, especially entrepreneurship and financial management students. I am Ma'am Rachel Obrigado, the Associate Chair for FM and Entrepreneurship. I am glad that despite of this pandemic and everything that is happening in our country and in the world, you were still able to enroll, pursue your studies, and later on, pursue your dreams. As the quote says, education is not a preparation for life. Education is life itself. As you begin a new semester, it helps to clarify your priorities. Classwork and learning are time-consuming, but your education and coursework and priority creates a valuable habit that will continue to serve you well in your professional life. Great employees add value to their organizations by continuing to learn and apply what they have learned in their respective fields. The same way, great entrepreneurs firmly surpasses all business challenges, especially so these trying times. So with that, be more patient and determined because he who began a good work in you is faithful to finish it. God bless and thank you.
Okay, good morning everyone. I am Sir Ryan B. Matera. I am the Associate Chair for the PSBA Marketing Management. So for this semester, I would like to welcome everyone for this semester. I know this will be a different situation now, but all I want to say is to you is to continue your studies, be responsible for all the tasks being given to you, and don't lose hope. There's always a positive comeback of all those efforts na ginagawa mo. So, thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you.
The coronavirus is deadly serious. We experience hardship. We experience hard parts, most especially to the normal thing, the normal way that we are been experiencing before this pandemic. Now, this scenario is wreaking havoc for individuals, households, families, companies, municipalities, cities, business industry, or should I say the entire world. The news is filled with different stories of sickness, job loss, disappointments, and even deaths. There is no shortage of bad news when it comes to COVID-19. As we woke up early, in each mornings, we are hearing those different impacts, those different effects that somehow affects the productivity and at the same time our engagement in our endeavors, work, studies, and personal lives. But somehow, College of Business and Accountancy, we need to move out of our comfort zone. We can only grow if we are willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable in doing and trying something. But somehow, we need to remember as well that protocols and safety measures must be always observed. Sabi nga nila, kahit may corona, dapat magpatuloy ang edukasyon. Kahit may pandemya, kailangan gawin at isakatuparan sa pinakamaayos, sa pinakaligtas na paraan ang mga dapat gawin at kayang gawin. We should never give up. You should never give up on what you really want to do. And what is that? That is to finish. That is to continue. Even it's hard. Even there are what we call daily trials, daily hardships that you encounter during the last semester on our first pilot test of the online learning. Never give up. You need to try things. Because the person with big dreams, remember, is more powerful than one with all the facts. The motivation, ladies and gentlemen, the motivation always comes from working on things that we care about. And what do you care about? First, you care about your family. Second, you care about, of course, yourself. And third, you care about, the most important, you care about your future. And in dealing with a superb and excellent future, we need to bear, we need to stand, we need to be strong, and we need to pursue and continue things that we need to do. You got a dream. You gotta protect it. You want something. Well, I should say, go get it. But always remember that you need to do that College of Business and Accountancy with care. Always remember that you need to do that following those safety measures. Kasi kailangan sa buhay ng tao, balanse ang kalusugan, balanse ang edukasyon, balanse ang pangarap, at balanse ang kaligtasan. But how are we going to do it? How are you going to surpass and survive? Well, in this time of pandemic, don't undermine your worth by comparing yourself with others. During the onlines, do not compare yourself to others. You need to do the best of you can. The best of the exerted efforts. The best of those things based from your availability. From the availability of the different assets that you have in order to achieve your dream. It is because we are different that each of us is special. Don't set your goals by what other people deem important. No? Only know those goals that I guess best for you. Never take the granted. Never take the granted, never take for granted the things closest to your heart. You need to cling. You need to bang them as you would your life, for without them, life will be meaningless. As I've said, don't be afraid. This time of pandemic, this time of hardship and trials, don't be afraid to admit that you are less than perfect, because nobody is perfect. Even the greatest men, even the most intelligent person, experience imperfections. It is this fragile thread that binds us to each other. Don't be afraid to encounter risk. It is by taking chances that we learn how to be brave. Don't run through life so fast that you forget not only where you've been, but also where you're going. Don't forget also those persons' greatest, your personal greatest emotional need. And that is, of course, to be appreciated. The institution, the College of Business and Accountancy, really always and will be continuously appreciating all of your efforts, all of your exerted sacrifices, no matter how small it is, because what matters to us is your education. Because what matters to us is your future. Because what matters to us is seeing you someday, my dear students, seeing you someday in the upper pedestal of triumph and success of all your dreams. I am Sir MT, Program Head of College of Business and Accountancy, welcoming you this second semester 2021-2022 to the Naga College Foundation Incorporated, welcoming you, opening the door of the achievement of your dream. Push education, go for it. You can do it. Just do it. We are always here for you, no matter what. Thank you. Mabalos sa Induga Boss.
Today is a brand new beginning, a brand new year of 2021 as we welcome students and parents under the program of Hotel and Restaurant Management and Hospitality Management. As we face the struggle in our country, we all know that the hospitality industry is the most affected one. As a practitioner in our field of specialization, I thank you for continuing and fighting for your chosen career. May you continue doing good and enjoying while studying here at Naga College Foundation under the College of Business and Accountancy. Mabuhay!
A pleasant morning to all. Hi JPNs. I am Lawrence Astor B. Pellejera, the program head of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information System, and of course of our old curriculum, Bachelor of Science in Accounting Technology. I graduated from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines and finished my master's degree in Naga College Foundation. At present, I am taking my doctorate degree in Ateneo de Naga University. Many years ago, I was once like all of you, dreaming of becoming a CPA someday, but didn't know that the road is all rocky and bumpy. Fast forward, I passed the board exam by taking into consideration every inch of a detail of the subject matter. I actually used 3 different reviewer books for every subject given in the board exam. No one said that it would be easy, but I am telling you, it's worth it. What I want you to realize, my dear JPNs, is that focus determines your reality. If you want to achieve your goals, you need to have the discipline to stay the course and make time your ally. From your first day up to your graduation and between them, we are preparing you for the big day. Always remember to maximize your time while you are in CBA. Sabi nga ng isang character sa K-drama, Aja, kaya natin to at kakayanin natin to.
And now, to present the new set of CBA Student Council officers as well as the different organizations under the Department of College of Business and Accountancy, may we call in our energetic and unflagging CSC Governor, none other than Miss Angelica B. Bea.
College of Business and Accountancy are proud to present the new set of College Student Council for the school year 2020-2021. For our legislative bodies, we have our 4 representatives. First is our first-year representative coming from the Hospitality Management, Alexa Ariston. For our second-year representative coming from the Business Administration Major in Marketing Management, Mr. Ronnie Luzon. And for our third-year representative, we have Ms. Landel San Benaventura from the Business Administration Major in Human Resource Development. Last, our fourth-year representative from the accountancy, we have Ms. Lizelle Batan. That is for our legislative bodies. Now, for our executive, we have our business manager, Mr. Bernardo Berninya. from the Hospitality Management. Also, our business manager, Ms. Sheila May Balon, coming from the Hospitality Management. And our public relation officer, we have Ms. Rika Malaa from the Business Administration Major in Marketing Management, and also our event chairman for the General Assembly. For our auditor, we have Ms. Melrose Manongsong from the Business Accountancy. And our treasurer for this year, we have Ms. Mary Jane Gubanco from the Business Accountancy. And our secretary, coming from the Accounting Information System, is Ms. Valerie de los Reyes. And our vice governor for this school year, we have Mr. Ryan Matandak from the Hospitality Management. And also, our College Student Council Advisor, a certified public accountant, Mr. Rodinal B. Porterea. And that's all for our executive bodies. Once again, this new set of College Student Council for the school year 2020-2021. I am Angelica Bea, your governor for this school year. For our College of Business and Accountancy Student Organization, we have first the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants, with its president, Mr. John Andrew Ponte. And the second one is the Association of Bicol Business Students, with their president, Mr. Ryan Panes. Also, our Society of Young Hospitality Professional, with their president, Ms. Jaila Valenciano. Also, our Junior Marketing Association, with their president, Ms. Sarah Joy Talay. And last but not the least, our Financial Management Organization, headed by Ms. Irna Pisquera. And that's all for our College of Business and Accountancy Student Organization. Thank you.
To discuss the netiquette for blended learning, may we call in our Student Council Secretary, Ms. Valerie de los Reyes.
Good morning, everyone. So we come now for the netiquette for the online class and blended learning. But first, let me define what is netiquette mean. Netiquette means the appropriate manners or proper behavior we must apply online, or in other words, ito yung pag-uugali na dapat natin i-acquire during our online classes. First, netiquette, we have to keep in mind that we are talking to a real person online. So utmost respect must be on top always, and we should always think first, pause for a while, and check our chosen words before sending emails, messages, and before posting comments online. Next, we have here the standard of behavior online that we must follow in real life. First in the list is we should always remember na kung hindi natin masabi ng harapan, mas lalong hindi nararapat na sabihin online. Secondly, dapat alam natin those simple things, rules or guidelines online na kapag ginamit natin ay lahat caps lock or big letters, it's like we are yelling at someone or parang sinisigawan natin ang kausap natin online, which is alam natin na it is inappropriate or considered unethical. Kapag naman lowercase, it implies lack of education or lack of self-confidence. So mas better kung gagamit ka lang ng big letters kapag first letter of every sentences unless we are using abbreviations. Third netiquette is to know where you are in cyberspace, meaning you should know that talking to a friend is somehow different talking to a classmate. So meaning to say, when talking at the class with your classmate, you or we should always avoid using vulgar words that are only applicable when talking to a friend. Fourth is to respect other times and bandwidth. Why? Simply because hindi lang naman email mo or message mo ang kailangan asikasuhin at bigyang oras ng isang tao. Always remember that we all have different duties and responsibility at home or in school-related stuff. Fifth netiquette, always make yourself look good online, which means that we should check first our spelling and grammars before sending or posting it. We should also be polite as well as pleasant and make sure that what you are talking about does make sense. Sixth, share expert knowledge. Don't be selfish. Learn how to share your knowledge because it will help other students and especially your classmates and friends. Seventh, help keep flame wars under control. It just simply means that we should always have the so-called self-control or think before you speak or act. Eighth, next is to respect other people's privacy. First, do not read other people's mail without their permission. Sa madaling salita, huwag pakialaman ang hindi naman para sa'yo lalo na kung walang pahintulot. Second, do not post or repost photo of other people online without their permission. Third, iwasan ang pag-usapan ang buhay ng ibang tao lalo na kung walang pahintulot. Fourth, sharing of a private conversation to another person is a violation. Ninth, etiquette, don't abuse your power and stay humble all the time. Always remember the golden rule, treat others the way you should and would like to be treated. And lastly, be forgiving of other people's mistake. Have patience always. Remember that before you reach the point where you are now, you were once in their position too. And that's it for the netiquette for online class and blended learning. I am Valerie de los Reyes, your College Student Council Secretary.
And now, to give us a glimpse about the school events or activities for this semester, may we call in our Student Council Treasurer, Miss Mary Jane Gobanco.
Good morning, everyone. Today I will be presenting a glimpse of our calendar of activities. This incoming February, we will be having our CBA week with the theme Resilient CBAians Embracing the Silver Lining Amidst Pandemic. For our first activity, we have the Quiz B. The Quiz B, the questions from the Quiz B will be from each representative from the respective CBA program heads. For the impromptu, the topics will be based on the recent issues of our country. And for the essay writing, essays will be about the theme Resilient CBAians Embracing the Silver Lining Amidst Pandemic. And for the caricature, the ideas of the artworks will resemble the theme of our CBA week. Next, for our non-academic events, we will be having our makeup transformation. Makeup transformation will not just focus on transforming through makeup, but showing your advocacy. Next is the mobile photography. Mobile photography will focus on showing virtual student versus real student. TikTok battle. TikTok battle using the song Eye of the Tiger, the students will be showing through TikTok how do they survive in new normal CBA. Esports. Today, this CBA week will be having our esports for the first time. And for our cultural events, we will be having our social distancing. A group will consist of 3 to 5 members and will be having their dance video. They will be following the required health protocols. And for the vocal solo, the contestant will have their own choice of song. And for the spoken poetry, the contestant will show off their words about their experience during this pandemic. And for the webinar, the council will conduct different topics that will help the students to have or gain their knowledge. And lastly, for our cultural event, our quarantine fashion show. This quarantine fashion show will be having one female or one male per major and will be choosing one from LGBTQ. And lastly, our community extension. Our choice of audience will be the kids from chosen community. That is all for our calendar of activities. Once again, I am Mary Jane Gubanco, your Student Council Treasurer.
To present the financial report, let us call in our Student Council Treasurer, none other than Miss Mary Jane Gubanco.
For transparency, I am here to show our financial reports from last year, first and second semester, school year 2019-2020, and also for our first semester, school year 2020-2021. But first, for our new students, for transferees and freshmen, before we are having our Student Activity Fund, or known as SAF, we are collecting those funds before the start of our semester. For the JPS students, they are paying 450 pesos, and for the ABBS students, 400 pesos. Here's the breakdown of the Student Activity Fund. For the 450 of the JPians, the 300 pesos will be for the CSC Council, and the 150 will be for the JPR organization. And for the ABBS students, the 400 pesos will be breakdown into the 300 pesos will be given to the council, and the 100 pesos will be for the ABBS organization. So here is the financial report, the summary of the first semester of 2019-2020. Where is the total fund for the first semester is 602,975.46 cents, and utilized an expense of 362,545.50 cents, and garnered an ending balance of 240,429.96. And for the second semester, 2019-2020, since for every semester we are collecting new fund, the fund from the ending balance of the first semester will be carried over at the end of the school year. So for the second semester, the total fund is 602,446.94 cents, and utilized an expense of 555,961.6, and get an ending balance of 46,485.88. And if you could see, for the CSC fund on this second semester, we had a negative of 10,229.12. And before we start the first semester of the school year 2020 to 2021, the amount of the Student Activity Fund carried from the last school year was for CSC, we have an ending balance of 86,240.84. And for ABBS, we have 131,070. And for JPIA, we have 69,605. A total of 286,915.84. So even we have our pandemic, the CSC, together with the advisor, pushed to have our small events. First is the NCF donation drive. We have a budget of 5,500. And for the fair welcome and planning of the council, 2,000. A total amount of 7,500. That was our expense for the first semester of our school year 2020-2021. And as of January 18, 2020, the balances are, for CSC, we only have 78,740.84. For ABBS, 131,070. And for JPIA, 69,605 with a total of 279,415.84. That would be all for our financial report. And for any questions or inquiries about our Student Activity Fund, you can approach me for questions. Once again, I am Mary Jane Gubanco, your Council Treasurer.
And now to give us a message, let us offer a big hand to our CSC Governor, Ms. Angelica B. Bea.
Hello there, CBNs. Once again, I am Angelica B. Bea, your CSC Governor for this school year 2020-2021. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of the CBA students for being able to surpass the challenges they face in this mid of pandemic. I know that being a student at the same time a sister or a brother and a son and a daughter to our parents, it is very hard to focus on our study. But let us see this as an eye-opener to us, the students, to study hard and work for a better future. We want you to know that we know what you feel because all of the student council are also students who are facing hard time coping up with our situation. But the CSC are not promising, but we are committing we are committing to all of you that we will do our best to give you all the needed information that you need to know to support you, even just in our CBA page, and to make you feel that you are still a student by our set of activities that will add a little happiness to your day-to-day life. Also, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the set of people who make this program possible. First is God for giving us the strength that we need. For every students out there who are watching right now, thank you for your time and effort for participating in our General Assembly. To our CBA faculty and staff for the support they given to us. To all of the CSE officers for the non-stop effort and time they spent to make this program happen. To our public relation officer, Ms. Rika Malaa, as our event chairman, who exert a lot of time, talent, and effort for this program to happen. Also, to our new CSE advisor, Mr. Rodinel Porteria, for the undying advice and support from the preparation up to this day that we get in, of course, our CBA Dean, Ma'am Lawrence Astor Piliera, for the encouragement, support, and advice that she have given to us, the CSE. And lastly, to our very supportive President, Mr. Mario Villanueva, who served as our role model to make our life more meaningful. That's all. I hope you gain a lot of information to this semester General Assembly. Thank you and God bless.
At this point, we'll be picking questions or queries from random students that we will going to answer. So these are the common questions or queries that we got from random students.
Ito yung mga tanong ng mga ilang student natin. So, paano po kapag napalitan daw yung password sa GBax account po nila? Paano daw yun? At meron din po nag-ask na paano po pag hindi tinatanggap yung account or hindi makasign in? At about sa GBax pa, paano po pag nakalimutan namin yung password? Marirecover pa po ba namin yung account namin?
Alright, regarding your GBox concerns, students, we have live chat support from TRC support team from Mondays to Fridays at 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. also to 12 noon. So that's via live Facebook page of NCF Technology Resource Center. So next, Ronnie, we have here another queries or questions from students. Paano po or kanino po namin malalaman ang class codes namin? And the second one is, paano po kung hindi gumana ang class codes?
About sa class codes naman. If you have more concern about your class code, you can reach out to your respective year level representative or organization president. And you can also ask your program heads about your codes and class codes po. So that they can assist you for your concern po about the class code. And sa last, Rika, meron
Yes.
ditong nagtanong about this General Assembly. Kapag hindi nasagot pa yung ilang question po nila, paano
The
yun?
second one, Ronnie, yung paano kung hindi gumana yung class code?
Kapag hindi gumana yung class code, i-make sure nila na tama yung code na nilalagay nila. Kasi may mga, di ba sa class code kasi, meron big letter, small letter, na kailangan ano. Yes.
So students, please do make sure to review your class codes first before entering that to your GBox or to the Google Classroom.
Yes, kasi Rika, kadalasan yung 0 and O na big letter na pagpapalit minsan.
Yes, exactly, Ronnie.
Tapos yung big letter I and L, small letter N. Minsan, may mga ganun na ano. I-try na lang nila ulit at itanong nila sa classmate nila kung ano. Para make sure na maayos yung pagkakalagay nila ng code. Bago sila maghingi ng concern o magbigay ng concern sa ating mga representative or kanino man pong program heads po.
Yes.
And dun na nga Rika about dito sa sa General Assembly kapag hindi pa nila nakuha yung sagot or they have concern pa, paano daw nila
Yes, Ronnie.
paano-
Students, when it comes to queries, if you have more questions or clarifications, please just post it on the comment section below and we will post the answers after this live assembly. So I guess that's it for the queries or questions of students.
Yes, Rika.
Thank you. And now, to give us a message for the closing remarks, ladies and gentlemen, our Dean for College of Business and Accountancy, Ms. Lawrence Aster Pellejera.
Good morning, everyone. In behalf of the College of Business and Accountancy, I would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude to those who extended their effort in ensuring the success of this activity. To the President of the Naga College Foundation, Sir Mario Villanueva, thank you so much for the inspirational message. To the Program Head of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Ms. Gladys Tamao, to our Associate Chairs, Ms. Rachel Robrigado, Mr. Ryan De Matera, and Mr. Daniel Martin Gabo, to our faculty and staff, to our CSC officers headed by Ms. Angelica Bea, thank you for spearheading all the needed preparation. And of course, to all CBA students for joining and participating in this virtual General Assembly for second semester. Now that we are under the new normal in education, with COVID-19 disrupting schools all over the globe, we should rally together and step up and place education at the center of recovery. Education must not only continue during this pandemic, but quality education must also thrive because it is a key to a sustainable development. To our dear parents that took a step of courage to accept the challenges of the new normal, congratulations and thank you for trusting us. To our CBA students, I know you are all excited for our upcoming activities, and I hope that your inner tiger spirit be unleashed in overcoming these challenges. Again, welcome to College of Business and Accountancy. A blessed day to everyone.
So again, this has been Ms. Rika Malaa,
And Ronnie Luzon, your
your
master
master of
of
this
the ceremony.
ceremony.